Hey everybody, so today we're going to be unboxing and checking out the new M18 fuel oscillating tool, the 2836-20, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? Alright, so I picked up 3 tools at Home Depot for the buy more, save more, where you spend $4.99 and you get $150 off. I got the M18 fuel oscillating tool as well as the M12 fuel oscillating tool. Separate video on this guy. As well as the M18 fuel hacksaw, which we did a previous video on. So this guy is the it's a 2. It's hard to show you guys, but here you go. 2836-20. It is a bare tool. We're going to pop this guy open, see what it all comes with. Probably do comparison videos down the road. If you guys want me to, let me know. I can give you my opinions once I've had a time to use the M12, this M18. I do have the M12 non-fuel, which is the brushed model of the M12, as well as I have the 20 volt XR from DeWalt. So I would have several oscillating tools. Specifications on this guy are LED light, yes. Oscillation angle 4.2 degrees. Oscillations per minute, highest setting 20,000 oscillations per minute. Oscillations per minute, lowest setting is 10,000 oscillations per minute. Auto load feature, yes. Length is 12.2 inches. Weight is 2.6 pounds. Says it comes with a multi-tool, 5 sanding sheets, the sanding pad, and a wood cutting blade. Has the same Milwaukee jumbo information on the back. You know, we don't need to look at that. We're going to cut this open. Cut this little tape on the side. Box is empty. So, got your instruction booklet. Feels like there's something in it. Oh, there is something. The blade was in it. So we got the booklet, or the instruction information booklet, manual. You do have one of these. These are one of the newer ones where it has the MX tools, the MX fuel tools on one side, and all the other tools on the other, I believe. There is an entry in here, right here. They made it a lot bigger. It is a 4-tool combo kit for an entry into that, as well as it does come with, these are the newer entry tickets compared to like the older style. So the older style looks like this. The newer style looks like that. Newer style's a little bit shorter. It's got a 10-piece combo toolkit or a t-shirt. I just changed the format. It's got one of those tickets though, so you guys know. Move this cardboard out the way. I can also put the receipt if you guys are interested in it. Hopefully I'll remember, but I'll put the receipt in the video, probably right here. Alright. Alright, so we're back. So here's what it looks like. This guy has from 1 all the way to 11. It looks like 12 is auto, which will automatically ramp up. Kind of wish they would have put the auto feature on the M12, but they didn't. But, you know, it's alright. So we have the typical Milwaukee sanding pad. Even the brushed models came with this exact same sanding pad. And it comes with 240 grit, 220 grits. There is a 60 grit, an 80 grit, 60, 80, two 120s, and a 240. It comes with one of Milwaukee's new, I believe. No, I don't think this is one of Milwaukee's. It's got lots of... It doesn't have Milwaukee's name on it, so this is just a generic blade. It doesn't even say it's for wood and metal, nothing. It's just a wood blade. I can tell it's just a wood blade, but you think that Milwaukee would put a Milwaukee stamped blade in there. But, it is what it is. So, I'm going to grab the scale. And for the last several tools, I did not measure them for, I didn't actually measure the length of them, and I apologize. If you guys want to know the length, just let me know in a comment on any of these tools. I'll probably measure it real quick for this guy. So it is from the front to the tip, it's 12 inches. The box says length is 12.2 inches, which is, it's about correct. 12, 1/16, yeah, that's about right. So it is just bare tool, 2 pounds, 9.3 ounces, which is pretty close to what the box says, with a 3 amp hour. I do like the tri lights on the front. That is very nice. Three amp hour, it's 3 pounds, 14.6 ounces. Probably not going to use big, massive batteries on this, but we'll throw a 6 on here, an 8, and we'll even test it with a 12. The 6 is really loose, though. Look at that. I do not like how loose that fitment is. It's 4 pounds, 15.8 ounces with a 6. These are all fully charged batteries. This is an 8 amp hour. Now, all these batteries have been well used, though. It is 4 pounds, 15.6 with an 8. And with a 12, because these are the variety of sizes that I have. I don't have any of the, I don't have a 9. I don't have, well, I have a 5 also. I can always grab one of the 5s. With a 12 amp hour, it is 5 pounds, 15.8 ounces. Yeah. Okay, then I'll just grab, because I didn't even think about it, but the regular standard 5 amp hour XC batteries, we'll throw one of these on here. Probably. Yeah, the fitment's really loose. 4 pounds, 2.8 ounces with a 5. It has the auto on and off. Speed control. what happens when you put it to auto. 11, auto. And it will automatically adjust with auto. So if you're cutting through something and it slows down, it'll ramp up. Turn the scale off. Move the scale to the side. So I'm not sure if this is going to be faster. I do like the DeWalt. Here is my DeWalt version. I like the DeWalt specifically because you can pull the trigger and you control the speed. Where this one, you have to turn the knob to variate the speed. It would have been nice if they would have added the knob just like it has, and then put a trigger on it instead of, you know, maybe two different models. Maybe one model with the lock-on switch and one model with a trigger would have been nice. But I've used this one quite a bit. I use this one all the time. Now, I'm not sure if this one is going to be faster than this one, to be honest with you, because this one has the thread right here. You can thread into it for certain things like pads. So you can just thread the pad on like that. Because I did use the thread, the little screw that came with the DeWalt, and I did put a Milwaukee pad on it, and that's how I ended up sanding the really hard to reach crevices on the shop press. I used this guy right here. But this is the fastest quick release I've probably ever used. This one you can also put guides on it. You could put actual guides on this side or this side, which is a nice feature the DeWalt has. But this is probably the fastest one I've ever used. You just squeeze down, slide it in, and you're good. For an example, now this one doesn't want a thread on here. That's interesting. But this one doesn't want to go on. This blade doesn't fit this one. But just figured I'd show you guys it real quick. I do like the DeWalt. Been using the DeWalt quite a bit. This one, you lift up the lever. It's pretty tight. Grab a screwdriver. That one is really tight. Just gonna have to break that in. I do like that the Milwaukee's, the new fuels, come with magnets right here. That's a very nice feature. So you just thread this out a little bit. And the magnets will hold the blade in the position you want. Snug that down. Lock it in. And you're good to go. It's a very nice feature. It's very minimal vibration, what I've noticed just now. It's actually quite nice. I'm not sure by feeling it. I'm not really sure that this is actually doing anything, to be honest. I could be wrong, but this is really tight. I'm gonna have to work this back and forth because this screw is extremely tight. I mean, if you tighten the screw down, Not really sure that this little back handle actually locks or does anything, to be honest with you. It doesn't feel like it does anything to me, but I could be wrong. Oh, it does. It does actually. Now the blade is loose. See that? I pull this forward. Now the blade is nice and tight. So it does actually function. That's really nice. The seam's really loose though. I can hear the entire assembly in the handle when you twist on this, when you pull on it. Watch. Seems quite loose in the housing. That's a little bothersome to me. The fit on the batteries, all of the batteries are really loose. That's kind of bothersome to me as well. It's probably the loosest fitting tool I've ever bought. Let me grab another tool real quick. Here, I'll grab this M18 hacksaw and I'll show you guys. It's a little loose, but it's not as loose as the other one. Not sure if I'll have to take it back. I guess we'll see how well it functions. To be honest, you can hear how loose the battery is. That is very, very loose. That's a no-no in my opinion. You can actually see the motor tweak back and forth in this guy. And you can actually hear it. If I take the battery off, and I'll let you guys hear it without the battery, so the battery's not shaking all over the place. Doesn't seem like the motor is nice and tight in this housing. If any of you guys have this same problem, please let me know. Is the physical motor extremely loose inside this outer half casing? Let me know. 2836-20. That bothers me. That's just me shaking this and this coming in and out. I don't know if you guys can see it. But it actually comes out. In, out. It's a lot of movement. But slide this open, pull it forward. Not really sure why this screw is so tight. Pull it off. For like the sanding pad, you have to take the screw completely out. So that's where I'm not sure it's actually faster, but like that. Slide the screw back in. Twist. I'm using a screwdriver because the screw is really, really freaking hard to turn. And that's it. That one's on. Now, even the DeWalt, you have to use the grub screw for like sanding pads. Seems to work very well, just not really too keen on how loose the motor housing is. That's kind of worrisome to me. Pull this guy back off. Pop this off. Slide the screw back in. This gets kind of tight right there. But that's going to conclude the video. Let me know what you guys think. Do you like it? Have you noticed the same issues of how loose the housing and everything is? Or the internals, how loose the motor is, and it moves inside there's nothing in the housing that's holding the motor and the fan and everything, and the gears straight. But please like, comment, subscribe as always. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. I do appreciate you guys stopping by, checking out the video, hanging out with me today. Smush the bell notification icon. I would much appreciate it. As always, and on top of the description below, I do have an Ulsa Tools link. That will get you 10% off your order at ulsatools.com. Pretty similar to Amazon, DJI Electronics, Ohio Power Tools, and Acme Tools. Pretty much all the same. I do get a commission for it. If you guys do use the link for Ulsa Tools, I will get 10% off my next order from them. If you guys do use the link, it also provides you 10% off. So go check out their toolbox organization stuff and their hand tools. And I hope to see you guys on the next video. Thank you guys for watching. Peace!